pizza. We're gonna get a bite to eat. We're going to Oakstone Craft Beer Artisan Pizza. Obviously our first time here. Hopefully pizza's good and hopefully the beers are cold. Okay.
Expanding?
Okay.
So we have
This
50
is
different
insane.
beers. Yes.
50?
50.
Oh.
50.
So I can sleep here tonight and wow, this is amazing.
So
Wow.
they're constantly changing out. So
Okay.
don't get attached to any of
Right,
them.
right.
And then so we're gonna start dark to light. Okay. So
Okay.
we have our nitros, porters, IPA.
I'm an IPA person, so where does the IPA start?
Oh, here's
Show me.
IPA over here.
But-
so you can click on them for description.
Unbelievable.
We have our price here,
Okay.
alcohol percentage here,
Okay.
bitterness units higher
Yeah,
than
yeah,
number,
yeah,
more bitter it is.
exactly.
Then I'll
Wow.
give you a band, it's just logo to logo here, and then you just pour.
We poured ourselves?
You pour it yourselves, yep.
This is intense. I don't know what to say. That's amazing. Okay, cool. So
Wonderful.
like we asked you for the cup, like for the glass. How's
Yep,
that?
all the glasses are right over here. So if you are not sure what you'd like or you'd like
Yeah.
to try a few different things, I
There's a
recommend
flight,
getting
right?
a flight.
Yeah,
we do
exactly.
have chalk if you want to write down.
What it is? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And
Okay.
Otherwise, you can just grab
Perfect.
your glass, leave those at your table. I'll clean up after
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
You don't
Got
have
it.
to worry about that.
All right, perfect. No, this is really cool. I really, this is the first time I've been in a concept like this, so it's good. So I'm gonna check out see what the menu is for each one,
Yeah.
and then I'll just get my cup, I guess, right?
Well, and then I'll need a credit card, an ID, and I'll get you a band.
Okay, so we'll do that there. Perfect. I'm getting ID today. That's amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Got it. So if I wanted this, I would just go like this.
Yep, the logo goes right to
Yeah.
the dot. And then
That's
you
it.
start pouring, pull the top handle quickly and all the way open. And then close it whenever you think you have enough.
Oh, never have enough.
I think you have to let it settle, no? With the foam
Can I let it
thingy.
settle for a second and go back?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're
the
the
foam is
expert, man.
good. Yeah, the foam
Look at
releases
this.
aroma.
Look at this.
Releases that CO2 as well, so you don't want to feel bloated later.
Beautiful, yes.
So I go back to my thing and drink away.
Exactly, yeah.
Cheers.
And then
You
we
look
ca-
great. Appreciate it.
And then we come
Salud.
back tonight.
Salud. Yes.
Because we have to drive, so we can't drink. Let me see, you like it?
It's good. It's good. This is an amazing concept. Just do that all day. All right, so we are not fans of thin crust pizza, but this was decent. Crust was crunchy. It wasn't like eating a cracker, you know? So I would give it probably a 7 out of 10. And I bet you if you like thin crust pizza, for sure you'll give it higher than that. And the beer was good. I like the concept, you know, pour your own beer. So yeah, definitely I would recommend this place and good happy hour prices. Check it out. All right, folks, we're at the Spark Hotel here. Actually, Hilton Spark Hotel in Siesta Key. Nice big pool here. Supposedly there's a band tonight. I'll show you our room. All right, like I said, pretty simple. King size bed. And like you haven't seen the shower like this. Crazy. So yeah, nothing crazy about this room, but it's doable, it's comfortable, and Look at his chubs, man. This guy too.
Yeah.
Yeah, next.
Hey guys, no more business details, okay? No, thank you.
Having a bite to eat here. So we're at the hub and we ordered mahi fish and chips, a cerveza, and a side of sweet potato fries. So we'll see how that is here. And it's a beautiful day here in Siesta Key, Florida. And Bae got a new haircut. All right, we got sweet potato fries with delicious Zoti IPA and mahi deep fried fish and chips. Bon appetit, let's eat. Look at that.
Ooh, nice one.
What's your name, by the way?
Andy.
Andy, thank you, Andy.
Thank you.
Check that color out. Finally a nice color of this car.